In the heart of an ancient forest, a venerable tree stood as a silent witness to the passage of time. Its rings, hidden beneath the rough bark, held secrets of forgotten histories and tales of environmental change. Each ring was a testament to years of droughts, floods, and seasons of abundance, capturing the subtle shifts in climate that shaped the world around it. As scientists carefully examined the layers, they discovered traces of volcanic eruptions, distant fires, and even the impact of long-gone civilizations whose activities had left an indelible mark on the environment. These rings whispered stories of migrations, extinctions, and rebirths, a living archive of eras long past. In its ancient heartwood were echoes of human triumphs and tragedies, moments lost to time but preserved in nature's annals. This tree, a keeper of forgotten stories, bridged the gap between past and present, offering insights into the ever-changing tapestry of life on Earth.